What's up everybody, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another video here on the N-Ext DIY Lawn channel. So nice to have you guys here. Hope all of you are having a fantastic morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're at. Folks, today we're going to be starting a brand new series here on the N-Ext DIY Lawn channel known as What's in the Jug? So for the first episode of this series here on the channel, we are briefly going to be discussing the 16-21-2 Greene POP product. This is the one that everyone should be considering right now as we head into fall. We're doing some overseeding, we're doing some sodding. This is going to be the go-to general purpose starter fertilizer that you're going to want, as number one, it contains everything you need, the three main macronutrients, the N, the P, the K. That's what these three numbers on the front mean: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. NPK, you'll be okay, as I always like to say when it comes to brand new seeding, because with these nutrients, what you're going to do is you're going to push top growth, you're going to help root development, and on top of that, you're also going to help build a better structure for better tolerance in the plant with the potassium product. So having those three is very important. In conjunction with that, you also get some other goodies in this mix, such as humic acid to help chelate those nutrients, and on top of that you also get some sea kelp in there to help feed the microbes. Okay, so now let's talk about a couple of application scenarios that you could use this for, starting with sod. So what I like to do whenever I'm sodding a new lawn or resodding any areas in the lawn is I like to go ahead and spray this down right after the final grade and right before I drop the sod. So I like to spray this down at a rate of 15 ounces per thousand. That's the ideal rate for new seeded new sod. Spray that on the bare dirt, water it in for a couple of minutes, and then drop the sod. And then, as a bonus, put some RGS on top of the sod, and from there, just let those roots chase the nutrients. So that's the way to do it with sod. Now with seed, it's a little bit different. As you guys have actually seen on the Jake the Lawn Kid channel, I graded the ground, dropped the seed, and then right after that, I sprayed this down right on top. And literally within 3 weeks, we had massive amounts of green popping up. So that just goes to show you, friends, with sod, you spray it down right before, and with seed, you spray it down right after. Now, if you're not overseeding or sodding and you just want a little dose of everything, this is the perfect product for that. Simply apply to your existing turf at 15 ounces per thousand to get a little taste of all of the nutrients to help jumpstart your grass even further. So that in a nutshell, guys, is the 16-21-2 Greene POP product. I hope you guys enjoyed the first episode of the series. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let us know what you thought about it and what you'd like to see us talk about going forward as we head into fall seeding and into the spring of next year. We have a ton of videos coming out, so please, any feedback you could leave down below is greatly appreciated. Oh, and your questions as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Leave those down below as well. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Later.